Hey YouTube family, this is Engineer Pat 5290. No, I haven't done an update video in a while. Just want to say hi, and just you guys are probably wondering where I've been. Been really busy with work right now, and I am currently working on a couple of videos. I actually have a surprise video that's going to be premiering probably this coming Tuesday. Yeah, a couple days from today. So that's going to be a surprise video. I will throw a premiere on this one. Uh, I hope you guys are going to like that. And concluding November along Tidewater Rails is coming along very, very nicely. It's not going to be too much in this one because of the upcoming holiday. So it is going to be cut short just a little bit. Really, Monday through Wednesday is going to be my chance of getting any last minute trains um, with that. So that one is in the process of being edited and it's just about complete. And then of course we'll be moving into December. Once again, the Q&A for the month is getting ready to wind down. Um, if you have not yet submitted your questions for that, you still have a little bit of time left. It's not that much, but bear in mind the fact it's coming around the corner. So the questions are closing on November 28th, 11:50 p.m. Eastern Time. So that's when that's going to be closing. And then, of course, the 29th, I'll be getting the video together and getting the answers. And then, of course, that will be scheduled to come out on November 30th for your enjoyment. And then we will roll right into December's, and then we'll go from there. Um, some of those videos have been pre-recorded, so the only thing they have to do is be scheduled to come out. So so some of this stuff is going to be scheduled to come out. So I'm just working a little bit ahead of time to get some of those lined up. So the only thing that has to be is just released out there. So I am working ahead on those just a little bit. And then once December is done, we'll be moving into January with a brand new 2020 session, which is going to be a really good year. I've got some stuff planned. Excuse me. Um, the new intro for 2020 for the first part of 2020, January through March, that one is just about completed. I'm thinking about maybe releasing a sneak peek of this. This is one of my very favorite intros that I have done recently, and I tell you one thing, I'm extremely proud of it. I'm still trying to get another couple of clips in there to try to squeeze a little bit more in there. But yeah, this is going to be a pretty good one. So I'm sure all of you guys are going to be in for a real treat. And I really hope y'all are going to enjoy that when I get it out. Lots of good stuff planned for 2020, a lot of good surprises. I will be making some return trips on the southern as well as the old seaboard. The seaboard date video was really, really awesome. I got a lot of nice comments on it. I want to say thank you to everyone who participated in those videos, as well as all the most recent videos and the recent premiere. That is definitely a spot that I will be hitting again, so I will be going back down to Hamlet at least at some point. That's on the old seaboard. Um, so we'll be definitely taking a look at that again, as well as the old Southern, of course. The Southern is always going to be a spot. The Norfolk District, of course, the Portsmouth Sub, of course. I may branch out a little bit this coming year into some different spots. I may even return some spots I haven't been into in at least 5 years. So maybe do some more on the old NNW a little further west, and don't know what's going to be coming out. Of course, Kyer will be another trip, so got some stuff lined up, and plus trucks will be heating back up when it warms up. Probably around the spring and the early summer when they'll start to heat back up. I try to concentrate more on rail all year round, but the trucks I try to do is kind of a seasonal thing, mostly from spring until early fall, and this is when I'll do that because it's a lot warmer outside where you'll be able to watch a lot more trucks. With rails, it's anytime. I mean, hey, I can do a lot of night shots with trains, and I actually enjoy that. And so, y'all have probably seen some of the most recent night video that I've been able to take. Uh, Seeing a lot of new catches this year, and I'm very happy with that. And it's just been a good year. And going into the last month, I think we'll have another good last month of 2019 in store. So I hope you guys enjoy this update video, and I apologize for not doing one of these recently. I've just been so busy right now. So I hope you guys enjoy all the videos I've got out there, and just remember, Q&A ends on the 28th, which is this coming, let me take a look at the date on it. That is Thanksgiving. That will end on Thanksgiving. And then, of course, the 29th, as 28th, it will be closing. And then, of course, the 29th, I'll be putting the video together as well as the responses. And then they will be scheduled to come out on November 30th. And then December 1st, December's prompt will be out. And I will give y'all a heads up now. There are new guidelines in that one. So please be sure to tune into that one as well. And then, of course, January will be following on January 1st. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy all of these great updates, and I will see you on the next real adventure. Have a good night, guys, and may God bless.